This is where the journey of Lay's begins. Only the finest potatoes are selected. Purity in every potato. Technology crafting perfection. Perfect slice, perfect taste.
Precision you can almost feel.
Every step ensures quality. The magic of turning gold. The magic of turning gold.
Less oil, more crispiness.
Crispiness you can hear in every bite. Flavor magic, evenly coated. Crafting real flavor with care. Spicy punch that hits your taste buds. Cheesy goodness in every bite.
It's a real smoky BBQ taste.
Fresh, tangy, irresistible flavor.
Every chip goes through quality checks.
Every chip goes through quality checks.
Safety first, always.
Perfect weight, zero compromise.
Fresh chips, straight into the pack.
Packing begins with precision. Airtight freshness guaranteed. Every seal is strong and secure. Transparent and trustworthy. Shine that catches the eye on shelves. Mass production, flawless flow. Automation at its finest.
Every box perfectly arranged.
Ready for distribution.
From here, the supply journey begins.
Science behind perfect chips. Every potato tested with precision.
Clean oil, clean taste.
Flavor formula, carefully crafted.
Smart factory, smart taste. From heat to crisp, the journey. perfect temperature control every time. A treasure of flavor, safely stored. The wrap that holds freshness. Freshness you can feel. Speed with uncompromised quality. Precision engineering at peak.
Nothing goes to waste.
Clean factory, clean chips.
Hygiene for us. Hygiene is our #1 rule.
Tons of potatoes, always fresh. Cooling for perfect crispiness. No compromise ever. Perfectly synchronized system.
Monitoring every step for quality.
Where every day, the magic of crisp is made. Raw to ready, non-stop journey.
Thickness just perfect.
Beauty in every chip. A rain of flavor. Irresistible. Fresh air, fresh chips. Accuracy beyond limits.
Crispness you can see.
Proud team, perfect product.
Delivery on the way!
Lay's traveling across the world.